What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohamad and in today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys these cool backgrounds that is usually used in candy style and it's inspired by bananas. Okay, so enough of talking and let's get Alright, so I just made my composition and I have already uploaded the picture that I want. Alright, you have to drag the picture into your composition and then tap S on your keyboard and resize the clip. Alright, after you did that, just pre-compose it by Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. Don't forget to tap on these two icons. Alright, so after you did that, we're going to use the pen tool to mask the picture that we want. So I'm just gonna mask the picture that I want. And also don't forget to duplicate your pictures before you start masking. Alright, after you mask the picture that you wanted, now we are going to make the background. Alright, we're going to add a new solid. I want to use pink. Alright, and then I'm gonna add the text that I want. For example, I want to use Charlie. Keep writing it. I used the font called Lemon Milk for this part. Alright, and then scale it down a bit. Alright, and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus D. And then duplicate it by using Ctrl plus D. And keep doing that. Alright. Pre-compose all the text and then pre-compose it with the background. Also, you can add drop shadow if you want. You can search it in effects and presets for S underline drop shadow. It requires Sapphire plugin, so if you don't have it, you can't add it. Now use the pen tool and just do what I do here and make a mask. It doesn't matter how it looks like, and then press F on your keyboard and increase the feather. You can play with it so it looks smoother. Alright, okay, so after you did that, you can use, and again, go to the picture that you masked, and then go to right click on it, go to layer style, and go to a stroke, and then in a stroke, change its color to whatever that you want. Alright, and duplicate it and change its stroke to the color that you want and increase its size. Alright, also you can add drop shadow to it after you pre-compose it again, and then add drop shadow to it. Okay, and now for the last part, and make another solid layer, and in effects and presets search for S underline wipe stripes and increase it by 75 and change the frequency to 50. Alright, now put it back. Also, you can increase the frequency more if you want to. Alright, so this is the background that we just